Hey Tron holder, in this video I give you my friends 3 tips and absolutely 3 very important things my friend I want to tell you about Tron, and absolutely I will tell you about the mistake of holder, and we predicate this coin, we share opinion my brother. So definitely the video is going to be very important for all of you. This is just my friend a few minute video, but I hope you watch this video, so I hope you never lost. I give you 100% guarantee my brother, you never lost and you take a very good profit from Tron now. So don't skip this video my brother. This time first of all I tell you my brother, so this coin is very good for a short time investing or good for a long time investor. So as you can see my friend, this time the chart result, sorry, the chain occurring result my friend, this time in the last 7 days you can see my friend the chain occur will be negative now and they are in the loss. But you can see my brother, last 1 day they again take a profit, but in last 1 hour they again fails down. So therefore my brothers, try to understand this coin just only in 24 hours they give you a profit, but in last 1 hour they again falls down. So make sure my brothers, to this is completely tell you my brothers, to this coin is good for a short time investor, because in last 7 days they are lost, so it's a long time, but in last 24 hours a short time my friends they will give you a profit now. So tell me, this is good for a long time investor or short time? I tell you my brothers, so this is very good for short time investor. All right, come to the my friends point, come to the second point my brother. If we predicate this coin, we absolutely understand to upcoming time can there is a chance so they will give you a profit or not my brother. So this is my friend the last 7 days chart, and absolutely my friend, if you can see my friend, this time this coin is completely in the profit now. You know why I tell you this coin is a profit? Because this chart is completely telling my friends to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will move upward, and the resistance line my friend has absolutely come here. So I'm sorry, this time if I draw the resistance line, so definitely my friend they will give you to this coin is a profit or not. So definitely my friend, in last 24 hours you can see here 0.36% this coin is in a profit. And if you can see my friend, this time the start of this week they are lost, but again they will recover the loss and they are in the profit now. You can see my friend a short fail, but definitely they cannot fail down from resistance line and they cannot dumps down more and more. So therefore this coin is completely in the profit, and definitely they will give you a very good profit just in only in very short time over there. So definitely I already tell you today will this coin is good for a short time investor. So I will share my opinion to please invest for a short time, and please research your own, but I just share my opinion to please invest for a short time. I hope they will give you a very good profit in short time. Definitely my friend, I know to upcoming time after a fail every company they will take a huge jump now. So I know to upcoming time they will give you a very good profit. So be ready for a good profit, and definitely don't do any mistake, otherwise you lost. Just and only if you follow a basic channel, I hope you will be safe from loss. So kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you like this video and subscribe this channel. See you next time. Allah Hafiz, take care.